Do you struggle with finding the highlighter that blends seamlessly and accentuates your features without looking oily or greasy? Is it hard to find the perfect shade that gives you your own natural luminous glow? Introducing Luminous Light Highlighter Trio, the 3-shade facial feature enhancer that revives the appearance of dull skin in just seconds, giving you incredible next-level luminosity and a more natural, radiant glow. The secret is the lightweight baked formula that contains rich, ultra-fine pigments with light-diffusing particles that illuminate your complexion for a radiant lit-from-within glow. And now, this amazing new Thin Lizzy product is finally available to everyone who's looking for an out-of-this-world, radiant, healthy-looking glow. This luxurious, buildable and blendable face-transforming trio makes it easier than ever to play up the features you love. Make your natural skin look more luminous and healthy, lift and brighten the overall appearance of your face, or simply add a touch directly onto your cupid's bow to give the illusion of fuller lips. You get all that without the harsh highlighter lines and without that dreaded chalky or cakey makeup look, with a colour to complement every skin tone, from fair to deeper. And you can wear a single shade or blend a combination for a look that's uniquely yours. Plus, it's so simple to apply. Simply dust onto the high points of your face, starting with the cheekbones, brow bones, forehead, nose, chin, and cupid's bow. Start off lightly and slowly build up the product through layers to achieve the intensity and effect you desire.